and welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. And my name is Ann, and what we do here is a lot of makeup related videos. We do makeup looks, makeup tutorials, makeup reviews, pretty much anything related to makeup, and we also do some makeup unboxings. And this time we are going to be doing the November Boxy Premium. Boxy is a monthly beauty subscriptions. They have, on a regular basis, they have 2 boxes you can choose from, which is the base box for $25 a month. You get 5 4-size products. And then they have the Boxy Premium for $35 a month. You get 7 to 8 or something like that. I don't know. You always get like, I want to say 6 products is what I always get. So I'm going to say 6. I think the website says 6 to 8. But, and I hear that Boxycharm, I mean, I haven't even done no research, but everything I've been like seeing is like the same people that bought Ipsy is now the owners of Boxycharm. But they said they're not going to change anything, is what the CEO of Boxycharm said everything will be the same. So here is my box. I don't know if you can tell, the cat has like completely scratched it up. He loves boxes. Okay, so here is the inside. The inside of the premium box will always be blue, and like the base box is like a reddish color. And they do have the BoxyLuxe for $50 a month. I did forget about that one. They do have it for $50 a month, or not a month, every 3 months. You get it 4 times a year, and you get around 8 to 9 products in it. It is a really good box too. It is one of my favorites. Okay, so when I open it, there's nothing. Then 1 product in here. Okay, so this is the Pur Cosmetics 4-in-1 Skin Perfecting Powders Face Powder. It's got a total net weight of 0.53 ounces. It is 15 grams. It is cruelty-free, vegan-friendly, gluten-free. I have trouble getting everything open. Okay. So my nails, I think I got like 2 nails done now. Painted my nails about 3 days ago and decided, maybe 4 days ago, I liked the color I got in my box, in my Ipsy Plus box, but my chickens do not like it, so I've had to peel on base coat, so I've been like peeling it off. They will like, literally, they like cut my pinky trying to get the nail polish. It's horrible. Okay, so here it is. I can see my ring light and my other lights. Here is the back of it. Ooh, it's got a nice mirror. It does have a safety shield. And here is the inside. I do like that. You got your highlighter. Okay, so you're supposed to get a translucent powder, a bronzer, a blush, and a highlighter. I do like it. And I got Fairlight. So, I don't know how you swatch something like this, but we will. So, I'm guessing this is the translucent powder. I do like that. That will match my skin. Here is the bronzer. I like that. There is the blush. And here is the highlighter. So, I do like all of them. And this would be something easy to throw in your bag if you're traveling. And I do like how they put like a different design on every single one of them. You can barely see this one, but it's got like ridges in it. Okay, so I do like that. Okay, so found the card. Number 2 is my valuation, and Harvest is the theme. Okay, so we have another bubble wrap here with one thing in it, and it is Dose of Colors. I Need Space. And they are cruelty-free. 2. The box feels very good. It feels kind of like a velvet touch to it. Here is the... So this is one of their Block Party eyeshadows. And it's got a mirror in it. Mine's got like a... I'm sure it's got a little cover over it. Okay, so it is black. But very, very pretty black. It feels like really soft and creamy. It's like one of them wet ones. So, that is pretty. Like that, done like really, really good. I like that. Okay, next thing. Cosmetics. Okay, this is, I think, skincare brushes. You got a cleaning brush and a dual-sided silicone mask application. I've got one of them. Mine don't look like that. Mine looks like, probably needs cleaned. I ain't used it in like forever. Bought it on eBay or something like that. But a lot of times, you know the foundation brushes that are made kind of like this, some little flat ones. I'll use them. A lot of times with skincare, I will use my own hands. So, ooh, let me see. Dual-sided. I want to say this is the mask application brush. If I can get that out, what is wrong with me? And this one is your cleansing brush. Apply cleanser to brush and use circle motions on your face. And gently wash away makeup, pollutions. Perfectly pairs with a cream, foaming gel, or milk cleanser. This one is got the, I don't know if you guys can, if it's, okay. It's got the little spiky thing. I do like how they're made. If you take, will focus in. I think I got too many lights on. So I do like it. This brush is like so soft. Okay. But I like that too. Okay. Then, what did we get? It's Australian certified, toxic free. Through a profound understanding of human biology, cellular renewal, and nutrition, ultrastation or formulations represent a new evolution of scientific capable biology beauty. What is this? Okay. It's a detox night cream. And it's got the little pokey thing. So I guess we... Ooh. And how much did we get? It is certified cruelty-free. It's vegan-free. It's guaranteed gluten-free, toxic-free. And it is 1.35 flow ounces, which is 640 milliliters. It doesn't, it's got like slight of a flowery smell, but nothing like really strong. It feels like really good. I've used this brand before, and I've had no problems with it. I had a day cream, but I lost the lid, and it like dried up. So, I will use this, and the container is like a tin like, and you can just like roll it down easy, like a metal something. I don't know. Okay. Real Her Lip Duo. It's got 0.28 grams times 2, 0.01 ounces times 2. There's like 2 pencils in here. Normally, in a box this size, they put 1. Okay, so they are certified cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free, gluten-free, infused with shea butter, infused with jopi oil. And what colors are they? Okay. See, now I like to see this, where you're not, like, wasting package. Normally, a company will put 1 liner in here, and they got 2. Okay, so we got Be Yourself, Be Yourself, Be Real Her. Then we got I'm Confidence. So it's like a reddish color. And you just like roll them out. So I like both of them. They went on really good. That's like a pinky brown. Got some like brown with pink undertones. So I do like that. Okay. Ooh, I'm like spilling everything over here. Okay. So our last thing is by SmashBox. This is my choice. I needed some new powder, but I have actually bought like 3. So I really didn't need this by the time I got it. So this is actually the Photo Finish Fresh Setting Powder in shade 01. We're getting 0.42 ounces, which is 12 grams. Here is the container. It feels really nice, heavy duty. Then it's got a mirror. And here's what the inside looks like. And I do like how they made this right here. You just pull it up from right here. And it was that easy. Why can't other companies do this? Twist for fresh powder. Twist this way to get your powder. Oh, I like it. Which is just like, you don't even have to do anything. You don't have to shake it. Okay, and it don't do it if you go around the other way. It only does it if you go the one way. Okay. So, kind of cute. Get fresh powder with every twist. So, here it is. Really a pretty color. I don't know why we're swatching face powder. Come on. I don't think we need to do that. So, I think it's going to be translucent anyway. I do like this. Well, we don't need. So, I like that. I ended up buying the Jeffree Star. Well, I just decided to try it. I did buy the concealer, and I love it. I ended up getting 2 of them. I thought I only ordered 1, but there was 2 in the box. But I got like the C5. I don't have it on today. I have Tarte Shape Tape on today. But I ended up getting the Jeffree Star concealer, and I'm absolutely loving it. Then I bought one by CoverGirl. Then I bought another one by the CoverGirl. I don't know. I should have known this. When I was younger, when I started using makeup, my mom always picked us up CoverGirl makeup, okay? And something about it always set me off because it had a smell to it. And I cannot stand stuff with smells. To this day, on my face, I don't like it. But I did pick up one. It does. I got it on today. And it's like right in here. And I set my nose with it. And stuff like that. And it done like really good. But it still has that like, I got makeup like everywhere. So it's this one right here. And I don't know, I think it could have been like milled. a little bit better. It's like really like thicker than what I normally like it. It's got a silky touch to it, but I do think it could have been milled a little bit better. But it's got that smell to it that I don't like. Okay, so last thing, go over the process really fast. So we paid $35 for this box. The grown mist is $125. Okay, so we covered our box. So that's another thing, is like the regular Boxycharm is like $25 a month, but it is supposed to be valued at least $100 or more. Shh, kitty, quit. So this is $125. The SmashBox powder is $39. The Pur 4-in-1 is $32. Okay, so the Cosmetics skincare brushes, here's one of them. I'm already dropping everything. They are $25. The Dose of Color single right here is $20. And the Real Her liners that I just laid up, and my cat is now laying on them, they are $25. So, I mean, this box is, let me see. The Detox Night Cream, $125. Then you take the Real Her and the brushes. Right there, you're already at $175. So this box is going to be, then you add on the 39 and the 32 and the 20. That's like, I don't have a calculator, but next time I'll bring one with me. It will be over, like, way over $200. So it's over to probably $250. So for $35, you really cannot get long. Go wrong with this box. But that is it. And if you guys, I will try to remember to put the weight in the description or the comments, because I know you guys always want to know how much it weighs and stuff like that. But it was a variation number 2, and I'll just put the rest down in the description box, or try to remember to comment. But I guess that is it. And if you'd like to try Boxy for yourself, I will put the link down in the description box too. And I guess that is everything for today. And I will see y'all in the next one. Don't forget to hit that like button. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you go. Bye.